All right, Zach, looks like we have some butt splice kits here. Why don't you splice it to me? Tell me what these are all about.
Ooh, I'll splice it to you. Here's what we got. We got 4 kits. Depending on what you're doing, if you're splicing 1 conductor or 3 conductors, we got the kit for you. We go from 14 gauge down to 2 gauge. Again, they're 600 volt rated. They're UL listed. They come with instructions, and they work great with our heat shrink torch.
Dual rated butt splice kits. Looks like we have a few of them in front of us. Tell me about some of the specs.
Yeah, so we got 3 options here, depending on the size wire you need. We can go from 8 gauge all the way up to 250 MCM. So a lot of people don't have that big stuff. That's kind of unique. Definitely a nice option here. Kind of like some of our other products, they're all UL listed, they're direct burial rated, and they're good for up to 600 volts. I should mention dual rated actually means it's good for copper and aluminum wire. So depending on what you're doing, this might be a good option for you.
Very nice. Tell us a little bit about the heat shrink itself.
Yeah, well, I'll tell you what, it's a really nice product. We got a few different sizes, so depending on what you need to do, we got small stuff that goes from 14 gauge all the way up to the real big stuff, 500 MCM. So you're talking really big wire. Again, it's direct burial rated, it's UL listed, it's got an internal adhesive or mastic, so as you heat it, that'll seal up and make
Nice.
a watertight seal. And it has really a great shrink ratio. If you look at some of these, you check out the difference on that.
So you pre-shrunk some of these, yeah.
Oh, I sure did. It's went from that all the way down to that. You look at our smallest one, still pretty impressive. So really nice product. Again, it works well with our heat shrink torch. Nice addition to any of this stuff. Plug in your propane tank. It's got an igniter on it. That's all you need. You're good to go.